Please, if I can very quickly just have your undivided attention. Just something that I really want to mention. I just have to clarify, just so nothing's in my heart. Wallahi, I personally didn't want to do questions and answers. Okay? For a number of reasons. Number one, because I'm not a Sheikh, I'm not a alim. So this is important for you to know. And I think it's important that everyone needs to respect positions. I'm a da'i, simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay, I'm not someone who studied Sharia. I don't do halal, I don't do haram. Don't ask me for a fatwa. Don't stand and ask me about my opinion about ISIS or my opinion about it. Please don't do this. I'm just a da'i. So personally, I didn't want to do these questions and answers, but I was, so whatever the case. So if you want to ask me something in relation to what I spoke about, I could probably give you some advice. I could probably give you things of this nature. I'm happy. And really, I'm only saying this to clarify my position first. And I don't want to mislead anyone. I'm a da'i, nothing more, nothing less. So please, sorry to the sisters that are already standing. If you feel like you just want general advice about anything relating to the topic, then I'm happy to answer, inshallah. Many da'is now, they just jump to the, let me just slap something together. No, if you don't know, say that you don't know. People tell me about, what am I going to say to a non-Muslim who says to me, how come you don't know? Tell them, wallah, I'm an honest Muslim, I don't know. I will go check and find the answer and come back and tell you. So I just wanted to clarify this, inshallah. Sorry, Sheikh.
Jazakallah khair, Sheikh.